Zoomshot Pro Review. The future of hyper-detailed smartphone images and videos is here. What is the Zoomshot Pro? It is what photographers call a telephoto lens, combining the power of a telescope and photography lenses. The Zoomshot Pro allows you to use monocular zoom functions that are above your phone's pay grade. Imagine having a lens that can offer a crystal clear view of something far away, allowing you to photograph it or capture video of it in a way that conventional built-in lens can't. Your typical smartphone's camera, or cameras, depending on how recent your model is, might be powerful enough to capture images at close range or even far away, but cannot offer the same clarity when you zoom in. The features only bring out this product's superior standing among its peers. The invention of archery was likely fueled by a human who wanted to hit distant targets without straining too much. The telescopic monocular distant viewers are today's manifestation of our desire to shoot videos and take photos of impeccable clarity right on our phones. Zoomshot Pro's development starts with an engineer who acknowledged that smartphones were usable in photography but performed poorly under the circumstances requiring clarity in distant objects. The engineer decided to go looking for something that could allow him to achieve incredible clarity on his phone. He found there was already a solution that could spot distant targets with a telescopic accessory. However, there was a problem: the monocular distant viewers that had already been invented underperformed, broke too easily, and cost an unreasonable amount of money. The engineer could only see one option: improvement. So, he set about making it happen. He started by re-engineering the existing products, to bring you the crystal-clear monocular zoom device you deserve, called Zoomshot Pro. Superior features. Zoomshot Pro is a collection of features that combine their respective contributions to bring you impeccable imagery. A whopping 18x zoom. Take whatever clarity you heard and make it 18 times better. That's not all, because there is a focal ring on the lens that allows you to adjust the focal length, for clearer and sharper images. It's a monocular. What do you get, when you remove the Zoomshot Pro from the smartphone? A monocular, of course. It's like binoculars but with just one pair. You can just look through it with your eye and see distant objects without attaching it to a phone. Versatile fit if you thought that because you do not have a conventional smartphone and therefore, have no use for tactic monocular gear, think again. The Zoomshot Pro engineer came up with a design that will allow you to fit the accessory on many mobile phone types, including bar phones and flip phones. Clip function. Sometimes, you don't have the time to set up your phone on a tripod for some camera hijinks. So, what do you do when that happens? Well, if you have Zoomshot Pro, you can use the clip to attach the telescopic lens to the back camera in a few seconds. Quality and clarity. Let's say you have one of those older phones with a weak lens. Everything about your phone is great, except for this one thing. You love your phone, which means buying another one just doesn't seem like something you want to do. Well, your pictures are about to improve greatly, since you can see more detail and clarity using this distant zoom monocular. If these are features you are looking for, Zoomshot Pro has no shortages on that side. What's in the box? Unboxing. The Zoomshot Pro reveals the following: an 18x mobile telephoto lens, the clip, a tripod optional, a black pouch. You can safely store your lens in the pouch and prevent it from getting scratched or broken in case of a fall. Best price of the month, 50% off. Link in description. Get Zoomshot Pro. Why Zoomshot Pro? It all started with the need to develop a crystal clear monocular zoom device that costs less, did more, and lasted longer. We took it out for a field test in various scenarios to get an accurate look into what it delivers. Here's what you can enjoy. Accurate imagery when photographing landscapes or horizons. The images show a clarity that regular lenses just don't offer. The color reproduction is excellent with true-to-life images to show for it. Easy to set up with the clip function. You do not need to even think about tripods. The clip allows you to attach the camera within a very short time, free of all hassles. Usable in various scenarios. With a gadget like this, you are only limited by your imagination when it comes to what you can do. Our tests indicate you can use the Zoomshot Pro lens for sporting event images and videos, bird watching, wildlife observation, camping, concerts, scenery photography. It can even be applied to private detective work. Note, the clip attaches better when you take off the phone cover case. Shipping directly from the factory. Buy Zoomshot Pro with the best price. Get 50% off today, link in description. Bottom line, Zoomshot Pro just took a DNA test, and it is 100% that monocular distant viewer you've been looking for. For a product so durable, with so many features and a complete rig for a vast range of functions, you'd think the price would be higher. However, that's actually only the case because the industry's big names want to dictate what constitutes a telescopic lens for your phone. Let the superior engineering unshackle you from good picture quality by offering you excellence in cinematography. Zoomshot Pro is a product that speaks for itself. Would you like to know more about the smartphone telescopic lens everyone is talking about? Then order one today and experience true high definition for yourself. 50% off, link in description.